So here in Yasana, we keep our business partners, our associates. I want to call them business partners by engaging them. Okay, it's engagement is key. So we engage them by meeting them where they are, but not letting them stay there. So we meet them where they are, but we don't want them to stay where they are. Okay, that means creating po an ecosystem of simple, repeatable actions that compound into real momentum for our associates. Because when they join Usana, I'm sure they have different reasons for joining. One would probably about health and probably about earning extra or making it full time or begin Usana. So whatever the reasons are, again, we meet them there and we want to make sure that they don't stay there.